Welcome to Jaron Johnson YouTube channel. We're gonna be making goo.
Okay, get your sponge. Oh. Oh! It's a black thing in here.
Ew!
It's, you didn't take that out? Like, no! Okay. Go. I am. Oh.
Stir that mess up.
Okay, that's all I need. Ooh, it's so good.
Add contact solution.
I got one first. Oh, it's working already.
Will this work?
Yeah, mine's working. Is yours? Oh.
It's hard to stare.
Let me see that. Contact.
Contact! Contact! Contact!
What? How is yours already done? How much did you put in there?
How much what? Contact?
Yeah.
A lot.
Dang. Y'all came together.
You can see. I got it on my pants.
Oh my god, mine is still sticky.
Did we get the right glue or not?
It worked. Not working. It's just still a little.
I'll be right back. Woo! What an contact solution.
Mine's still not together, but it's almost there.
We'll be there when we get it together. Okay. I think I got mine ready. Him on the other point is not close.
Yes, I am.
Watch. Look at my glasses.
See
Look
this?
at. Ooh. Hey, look at it. Oh, that's cool.
That's all I need is some more glue.
Yeah, right. You needed some help. That's a good catchphrase. Oh, you.
I swear,
I'm sorry.
I'm gonna kill you.
My goo just love people.
And you.
Ruined. Ruined. Cause you know. Yeah.
He faster than
Mom,
Bruce
make
Sugar
that
like-
glasses sound. And make you want to taste it. Want to love it. Your turn to do a glasses sound. Oh, I forgot. Or it's not ready.
It's almost
okay,
there.
now yours ready.
No, it's not.
Okay, we'll be back. 2. Ruined. Ruined. Now I need to go change. Want to go change? Okay.
You did fart?
No, that was this.
It
Yes, no, it was this.
No, and do it again.
Okay. I was like, it was bubbly at that point.
He farted.
No, I didn't. And then watch it. It's gonna say, see?
No.
Mine is the best slime ever.
I feel like mine's still gonna stick. I gotta find somewhere to put
Safe.
it for my slime. Ready? With the truth.
Hey, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Oh. Oh, nigga, I grabbed the wrong end.
Okay, now pick up all that with your goo. Oh. Okay, y'all, we made goo. That was y'all. Oh, shine bright like a diamond.
I still got the sticky glue. I mean, goo.
Okay.
Let's go wash our hands. Bye-bye.
Ruined again. Ruined